Have you ever wondered how technology is changing the face of the NBA? From the courts to the locker rooms, technology is making waves in how the game is played, trained for, and even watched. It's a thrilling time for basketball as we begin to see the impact of high-tech tools and innovative software on this beloved sport. Three key technologies are at the forefront of this revolution. First up, player tracking systems. These advanced devices are providing unparalleled insights into player performance, changing the way we understand basketball. Next, we have virtual reality training. This immersive technology is taking player practice sessions to a whole new level. And finally, data analytics. This field is transforming raw data into valuable insights, influencing strategies and game outcomes. These technologies are not just changing the NBA, they're redefining it. So let's dive into the fascinating world of NBA technology. First up, we have the player tracking systems, a real game changer in the NBA. These systems are like the unseen heroes of the court, capturing every dribble, pass, and shot in real time. They use advanced cameras and sensors to record the movement of players and the ball during games. This information is then transformed into data, giving us a detailed picture of what's happening on the court. But what's the big deal with all this data? Well, it allows teams to understand their players better, to see their strengths and weaknesses from a whole new perspective. Coaches can use this data to develop game strategies, improve player performance, and even prevent injuries. It's like having a superpower that lets you see the game in a way no one else can. In essence, player tracking systems have made the invisible visible, providing a wealth of information never before accessible. Next on our list is virtual reality training, an exciting innovation that's transforming player preparation. Imagine being able to train in a virtual simulation of an actual game, right down to the roar of the crowd and the squeak of sneakers on the court. That's exactly what virtual reality training offers. By using high-tech VR headsets, players can be immersed in realistic game scenarios, allowing them to practice their moves and strategies in a controlled environment. This isn't just about practicing shots and passes, though. Virtual reality training is also a powerful tool for improving decision-making skills. By replaying certain scenarios over and over, players can experiment with different choices and see the outcomes in real time. This gives them the opportunity to learn from their mistakes and make better decisions when they're in the heat of an actual game. Through the power of VR, players can now practice without physical constraints, opening up a new realm of possibilities. Last but not least, let's talk about data analytics, the backbone of strategic decision-making in the NBA. Now, you might be wondering, what does data have to do with basketball? Well, quite a lot, actually. Picture this: every time a player makes a shot, misses a shot, grabs a rebound, or makes a pass, it's all recorded. This data is then crunched and analyzed to evaluate player performance. It could tell us, for example, who is the best three-point shooter under pressure, or who is the most efficient passer. But it doesn't stop there. Coaches use these insights to inform their strategies, deciding who should be on the court at crucial moments or how to counter an opponent's strengths. Even more fascinating, data analytics can predict game outcomes with surprising accuracy. It's like having a crystal ball, but one powered by statistics. With data analytics, the NBA has taken a step into the future, turning raw numbers into actionable insights. So, how is technology truly revolutionizing the NBA? Let's put a spotlight on the key takeaways. Player tracking systems are transforming the game, giving us an in-depth view of every move on the court. These systems monitor players' movements, providing valuable insights that help teams strategize and players fine-tune their skills. Then we have virtual reality training, a game changer that catapults players into immersive environments where they can practice without the physical strain. By simulating real game scenarios, players can sharpen their decision-making skills, improve their reactions, and get the mental edge they need. Lastly, we looked at data analytics. This is where the magic happens, turning raw data into actionable insights. Teams are leveraging big data to assess player performance, predict outcomes, and make informed decisions. In the end, it's clear that technology is not just changing the NBA, it's redefining it. The fusion of sports and technology is driving the game of basketball into a thrilling new era.